Number 1. Cuisinart TOA 70NS, the best overall stainless steel air fryer toaster oven. Why it stands out. With over 6,072 customer reviews averaging 4.4 stars and ranking number 1 in both toaster ovens and convection ovens, this powerhouse delivers exceptional value. Key features: 8-in-1 versatility, air fry, toast, bake, convection bake, broil, convection broil, grill, and warm spacious 0.6 cubic feet capacity. Toast, 6 slices, air fry, 3 lumps of wings, or roast a 4 lubby chicken. Powerful in 1800W performance with Air Advantage technology, stainless steel, easy clean interior, ceramic non-stick, reversible grill/griddle, non-toxic coating, temperature range, warm to 450 degrees. What makes it special? The Cuisinart TOA 70NS features a stainless steel air fryer basket and interior, with only the grill/griddle using ceramic non-stick coating, a safer alternative to traditional Teflon. The Air Advantage technology with top-mounted fan ensures fast, even cooking with that perfect crispy texture. Perfect for families looking for maximum versatility and those who want a stainless steel air fryer. Philips alternative with superior functionality. Price point: premium but worth every penny for the 8 functions and included accessories. Number 2. Chefman Turbo Fry Touch, best budget-friendly stainless steel option. Why it's worth it. Boasting 16,684 reviews with 4.5 stars, this XL air fryer proves you don't need to break the bank for quality. Key features: 8-quart family size capacity, serves 4 to 6 people, 1700W, rapid air technology for fast, even cooking, LED shake reminder for perfectly crispy results, one-touch digital presets for fries, chicken, fish, and meat, dishwasher safe basket and tray, temperature range 200 to 400 degrees. What makes it special? While the basket includes non-stick coating, the stainless steel exterior is fingerprint resistant and durable. The intelligent shutoff feature pauses heating when opened and automatically shuts off post-cooking, perfect for busy families. Perfect for those seeking a stainless steel air fryer, Costco-style value with modern digital controls. Price point: excellent mid-range option with premium features. 3. Brevix 26-quart air fryer oven, the family-size champion. Why it's impressive. This extra-large capacity model is ideal for anyone who regularly cooks for crowds. Key features: massive 26-quart capacity. Cook a 14 lulby turkey or 12-in pizza. 10-in-1 functionality including rotisserie and dehydrate, so 1700W turbo heating cooks. 30% faster than standard ovens. Modern French door design with dual glass doors. 21 smart presets with digital precision up to 500 degrees. 9 premium accessories included. What makes it special? This is a true stainless steel air fryer non-toxic design with fingerprint-resistant finish. The French door design prevents drips and burns, while the dual racks allow you to cook multiple dishes simultaneously. Perfect for large families, meal preppers, and those who want restaurant-quality results at home. Price point: premium pricing justified by massive capacity and included accessories. Number 4. Cuisinart AIR 200NS, bestest basket-style stainless steel air fryer. Why customers love it? With 2,792 reviews at 4.6 stars, this model offers the traditional basket experience with modern innovations. Key features: 6-quart capacity, holds a 4 lubby chicken or 2 clubs of fries. $1,800 of power with temperatures up to 450 degrees. Large viewing window to monitor cooking progress. Toss reminder alerts you when to flip food. cooking functions and 5 air fry presets. Air Advantage technology for even crisping what makes it special. The stainless steel air fryer basket design combines traditional air frying with modern touch controls. The viewing window and toss reminder take the guesswork out of achieving perfect results every time. Perfect for those who prefer basket-style air fryers but want stainless steel air fryer. No Teflon, peace of mind. Price point: mid-range with exceptional value and 3-year warranty. Number 5. Instant Pot Vortex Plus 4QT Best Compact Stainless Steel Air Fryer. Why it's perfect for small spaces. With an incredible 70,262 reviews, at 4.5 stars, this compact powerhouse ranks number 6 among all air fryers. Key features: 4-quart capacity, perfect for 2 to 4 servings. 6-in-1 functionality. Air fry, bake, roast, broil, dehydrate, reheat, even, crisp. Technology uses 95% less oil. 1600 W power with temperature range 95 to 400 degrees. Compact design saves counter space. Dishwasher safe basket for easy cleanup. What makes it special? This stainless steel exterior model features overheat protection and auto shutoff for worry-free cooking. The intuitive touchscreen and one-touch settings make it ridiculously easy to use, even for beginners. Perfect for students, singles, small families, and anyone with limited counter space. Price point: budget-friendly with premium features and proven reliability.